Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all gestures what you have on your headphones TOZO HT2. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on multifunctional button. So now I pause the song and now I play the song. Now you can increase the volume by pressing one time on volume up button, and you can lower the volume by pressing volume down button. So now I'm increase the volume and now I'm lower the volume. Now if you press volume up button, you will play next song. Let's go. And you will if you will press volume down button, you will play previous song. And again, here we go. Now, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on multifunctional button, and you can reject by pressing hold multifunctional button. So now I'm press it, I'm answer the call. If I press again, I will reject the call. And also, if someone called to me, I can press and hold to reject a call. Here we go. And the last one. If you press two times on multifunctional button, you will call Google Assistant or Siri. So 1, 2, 3. And I just awake it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!